Blessings everyone. You're tuned in to Jamaica News Scoop, where we bring you the news from every angle as we spread our eyes across Jamaica, our little island home. Feel free to leave a comment, and if it's your first time here, please like and share and subscribe, and also remember to hit that notification bell and select all so we can keep you abreast of all happening. Have a great day as we now move to the news. Annette Keeling woke up Sunday morning, Mother's Day, to hear the worst possible news. Her daughter Nikisha, 29, had been murdered, allegedly by her baby father. Reports by the police are that about 1:30 a.m. on Sunday, the 62-year-old accused, who has a son with Nikisha, turned up at the Clarkstown police station and told the officers on duty that he had just killed his common-law wife. It is alleged that he told the cops that he recently found out that she was cheating on him and killed her out of jealousy. He reportedly took a team of officers back to his one-bedroom house in the community of Parnassus and showed them Nikisha's body, which was seen laying partially naked in a pool of blood with multiple chop wounds. The scene was processed, and the body later transported to the Falmouth Hospital, where the victim was officially pronounced dead. The accused, said to be in his 60s, was immediately taken into custody. A 55-year-old man who had a dispute with others in Barbican Square yesterday was stabbed to death. That is Chaplain Gosford, unemployed of Mayor's Pen, St. Elizabeth. Reports are that Gosford had a dispute with a group of men in Barbican Square about 9:45 a.m. when the group started throwing stones at each other. Gosford ran across the roadway where a man from Castle Heights used a knife to stab him in the upper body. He collapsed and died. The perpetrator escaped in the area.